Monetizing a YouTube channel takes a lot of effort. You've got to have at least 1,000 subscribers and a minimum of 4,000 watch hours. But all these efforts, the time that you've spent editing, and the money you're supposed to earn will be lost if you commit the mistake of using an unlicensed copyrighted material. Thank you for dropping by to check out this video. My name is Florante, and today we're going to talk about my recent experience about copyright claims on my videos. Well, I opened my YouTube Studio account and saw these two notices and also received emails about a copyright claim. It's my first time to see such issues, and it's definitely something I don't want to happen to my channel or to anybody's channel, because I know how much effort we all put into creating this content. So the root of this claim was the music I've used. I'm using a music entitled Ongoing, which was downloaded via Envato elements. And based on the summary and status of the copyright claim, my video is ineligible for monetization because the copyright owner has claimed it. Now, you will see here that the other details, including sections in the video where the music was played and who filed for the copyright claim. So, how are we going to resolve this problem? Now, the good news about this is that it's not something that will affect the entire channel. It's only limited to that specific video where it's been used, and of course there's no threat of being banned from YouTube. And best of all, this can be easily fixed by going through the different options that YouTube actually provides for you. Now, there are three options that I was given. It's either I'll trim down the segment, replace the song, mute the song, and the final one is, of course, you can dispute the claim. Now, the first three are pretty safe solutions, as I've been told by a YouTube support that it can get your monetization back pretty quick after you've done any of the three options. However, for my case, I chose to dispute the claim as I am subscribed to Envato elements and I have a license for the said music. So that really gave me the peace of mind that this can be resolved quite easily. Now, if you're wondering if you have an Envato elements account and you're using images as well as stock videos, now here's what you need to do if you get a copyright claims because of those footages or images or even music that you have used. And what you're going to do is to download a license for the element that you have used. So you'll go to your Envato Elements account, click on your profile image, and you just have to choose My Downloads. And from the list of your downloads, you'll just have to search for the item in question in your downloads list and then click Download License. Now, this is a text document. You just have to open the text file and copy the content and go back to your YouTube Studio and then paste the text, the content of the license in the license information field. Okay, so once you've done that, just tick the boxes for the statements to agree and then add your full name in the signature box and then click on Submit. The monetization status will then be updated to escrow. So you will see here on my account that previously it was ineligible, but now it's updated to escrow, which means the video will still continue to earn. However, recipient of the revenues earned will be decided after the dispute has been settled. Okay, the dispute resolution was pretty quick, and it was resolved after a few minutes that I submitted the license. I hope you find this video helpful. Let me know if you've had similar issues with your videos and what services you're using to avoid these copyright claims. And of course, stay safe. Once again, live the dream life without leaving the home.